I need to say something. Hang on, I want to say something to just while you guys are here, real quick.
Love you.
Yeah, we love you.
I'm serious.
We are too.
About 30, 35 years ago, plus or minus.
Yeah.
There were two people that were good friends a long time ago. Two Marines, and yeah. Well, I just want to say it's because of those two guys and their wives who brought two families together, and we just were able to have a lot of fun year after year, and this became a tradition and it just kept on growing. And Mr. Lamb and Mrs. Lamb, where you at? Mamacita? Mamacita?
Stand up.
Thank you for starting it. Yes, thank you for keeping it going as well. You guys have been, it's been a lot of fun. Your chili's okay.
Don't hate.
Don't hate.
Appreciate.
And you guys have to keep her on.
That's right.
That's right.
Let's not talk about that right now. Okay.
I've driven 12 hours to get here, and I'd go twice as far.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Love you guys.
Oh, didn't I tell you it's in Arizona next year?
We're there!
Yeah.
We're bringing.
Wait a minute.
Mr. Lamb,
I got one for you. All right.
cheers.
Cheers!
Dad.
Cheers. Everybody, cheers.
This food was really good.
Fight our country's battles on the way to fight for right and freedom, and to keep our honor clean. We are proud to claim the time.